We explored around swing out a little bit, so move, 8, 5, 6, high go, hand and then down.
We talked also a little bit about how you want to be a little bit more like open this way, not super square towards each other, because then like fingers are trying to move the shoulder, and then it's just not really cool. Then the catchy moment we explored on sugar push.
Triple take, triple step, tap, go, triple step, 8 and triple step. We talked about how it's got to be a step forward for the followers, and the followers are responsible to continuing that momentum at the end. Leaders, we tap, go, and then